gun, and if you shoot, you notice that the muzzle thing is different than the one you are used to. Oh, and I forgot to show you that the blood is actually black and white as well. Basically anything that uses this texture here. Actually it looks kind of scary like this. Run away, run away. Alright, so you can see that this looks kind of cool. And it's not bad. This game engine is less than $20. I think it's about $18 to $10. It's been on sale for $9 before. Okay, so, and it's not a very easy way to create a 3D game very fast. Okay, especially if you want to make a zombie game. This game engine is perfect for that. So let me show you how I changed the textures. I'm not going to change them all, but I just want to show you how I did it. Let me go to my Steam folder. Steam apps. Come on. Game Guru, and we're gonna go to files. And here is where we can change stuff. Example, data bank has all the blood. Yesterday I couldn't find where the blood was, and it turned out that it was on data bank. This is all the blood splats and scratches. Now for the entities, the zombie characters, I believe this is a zombie 4. Now anything with D is for diffuse. That's your diffuse color. So if you open a zombie 3, you can see that everything is pretty much in color. All right. So what I did is I actually just went to adjustments, and I desaturated the image. Okay, now you can colorize it if you wanted to give it a different kind of style if you wanted to. Let me show you on zombie 4. There he is. You can see that he is black and white. So basically what we did was we set everything that we were going to use in the game to black and white. Let me show you the building. Where is the building? That should be on the entity bank. Buildings, warehouse, and I believe what's this one here. There you go. All the pieces that make up the buildings are in black and white. So basically that's how you can create a black and white look to your game. Very simple. No science to it. Now there's one trick to this. Photoshop doesn't open these kind of files. DDS, actually you won't even try to open it. So what you need to do is to install this program. Let me show you. It's the NVIDIA texture tools for Adobe Photoshop. This is basically a plugin that lets you open these kind of files. So there you go, guys. So go ahead and start your own zombie game with Game Guru. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye now.